Hey people, so we are at this place called Concu, and that's what it is. This place is in Banjara Hills, and Ayush, if you were to take,
Bounty chunks one. So
yes,
basically coconut wash
that's right,
with the milk chocolate inside.
that's right. Really? Take a bite of the other thing. Give me a bite of this.
It was
Yeah,
kind of the opposite.
it's called,
Milk chocolate on the outside, the coconut on the north.
yeah. Okay, so for someone who likes coconut, it would be a treat.
Not triple chocolate.
Yeah, take a bite of that. Ayush, you might as well have both. Okay. Tell me, how does it taste?
It's good.
This is like a regular chocolate cake. So this is a cute place with a lot to offer really, and it's almost reasonable. So it's just a very cozy and a nice place. I should recommend this place, and it's surprisingly crowded also. That I find unique because good stuff for reasonable rates. So yeah, on that note, people do visit Concu. I came here to pick up something for my sister. It's her birthday today, and yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.